Hey guys, and welcome back to Girls Beauty. So today's video is going to be really exciting because I am talking about a face mask, a very surprising one because I never thought I would use these two things on my face as a face mask, and you will be amazed with the results. So I am shooting this part after trying the face mask. It is amazing. Results are out of this world. You have to give it a try. So I won't speak much about it. You have to see the results yourself in the end of the video. For this face mask, you need two ingredients, just two. One is petroleum jelly. So I went for the Vaseline petroleum jelly, and number two is you need a toothpaste. Yeah, surprised, right? In the toothpaste, you have to go for the white color one. You can't go for any other color. So that's a requirement. So I'm sure the white toothpaste is really handy for you, right? So we only need two ingredients for this face mask. One, we need petroleum jelly. So I'm using Vaseline petroleum jelly. And you need toothpaste. Toothpaste has to be of the white color. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly and 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Mix both ingredients in equal quantity. Mix it really well and then just spread it on your face. Make sure you have washed your face before using this face mask, like any other face mask. And don't forget your neck. This mask feels really cold on the skin. My eyes are watery. So we have to keep it only for 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna come and see you guys, show you my skin even before moisturizing my face. So I'm back guys. I've just washed my face. I haven't used any moisturizer yet, but still you can see the difference in my skin. It looks very glowy, to me at least. I can see in the mirror. I can see the shine on my face. I think this is really cool mask. Definitely give it a try. There is no risk in trying this one. And if the weather is hot, I would say this is one of the coolest thing you can do for your skin. So no matter how glowy your skin is, you still need to moisturize your face and neck. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the future video notifications. And on that beautiful note, I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep it smart and keep it stylish. Bye!